In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you as a student will be able to use Google Docs on your smartphone for collaborating with classmates on a document. Google Docs is a free web-based tool which allows you to type online using your smartphone or your laptop. The document updates in real time, so your teacher and other classmates can see what you're typing each and every second. Here's a typical scenario. Your online teacher sends you a link to the Google Doc through the Zoom chat box. Students click on the link, which opens the Google Doc on their smartphone. Students can then work in teams to type and to brainstorm new ideas. But in order to do this, the first thing you need to do is to download the free Google Docs app on your smartphone. You can go to the Google Play Store if you're an Android user. If you're an iPhone user, just go to the App Store, type in Google Docs and click Install. Then wait for it to install on your smartphone. Once it's downloaded, you'll be able to click on a link shared by your teacher and open the Google Doc. So now I'm going to find the Zoom app. Let's say you're taking an online group class using Zoom. Your teacher pastes the link to the Google Doc in your chat box. When you receive a message, your chat box will turn red as shown here, and you'll see your teacher's link to the Google Doc. Click on the link and wait for the Google Doc to open. It will open directly in the Google Docs app, which we've just installed on your smartphone. As you can see, this Google Doc shows your teacher's writing activity. You and your classmates will have to work together in a team and plan a birthday party. The instructions say that each student has to write a shopping list in order to plan this party. Remember, as you type, your teacher will be able to see everything that you type, and he will also be able to give you feedback and tell you if you're on the right track. Now, remember, while I'm typing, other students in the class will also be planning and typing in their ideas on the same Google Doc. You'll be able to see the changes in real time. I'm going to move to another column, and I can see that another student is also updating their shopping list. I'm going to show you what the teacher sees on their computer. Remember, your teacher will be talking to you through the Zoom platform. Now, as a student, you can also ask your teacher questions as you're doing the task. On his screen, your teacher will be able to see your whole class working together as a team, and then he can make comments as needed. I hope you found this video useful. I've also attached a link to my free Zoom PDF user manual in the description below. I created it for the purpose of helping students, to guide them step by step so that they know how to use Zoom's basic features for studying online.